welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be I'm gonna do a tutorial of how to get the Deadpool skin in the Webverse. I think that's what it's called, in this Spider-Man game, Webverse. So first you wanna look at this. I'll make a video of how to get this, but I'm just gonna do this. So then you wanna equip it. Then go back. Then just play. So now you just get out of the safe zone and then
cowboy or astronaut or ballerina, glorifying the likes of Spider-Man.
Sorry to interrupt your little Trump lost the city, but the police are on their way to a crime in progress near you. Maybe you can beat them to it.
F for fly, and then the button next to it. When it says upgrade on your screen, press the thing that's next to the F button, the F button for flying. So yeah, and then once you turn full black, then once you turn full like black, then you want to go to the Green Goblin. Where's the Green Goblin? And then once you get there,
about that menace.
You want to do this. Look. So once you're there, Green Goblin, in front of it's gonna be this place, the fence, and then you want to go over there, press it. Me and my friend came up with this idea. Well, I came up then you want to collect the item, go down, and then the fastest way to do this obby. And then I'll make a video of where the rest are. This is only obby, but I'll make a video how to get more of the tickets, where the rest of the tickets are. Or should I make a video of how to get the skin, this first? No! I died!
It is a dangerous and misguided mentality.
God.
Thinks criminals like the Shocker and these demon mask people are just...
Oh yeah, guys. I'm gonna shout out to my friend Jacob. His YouTube name is Jacob Blocks, and I'm pretty sure he's like an anime. He posts AI videos. I'm sorry, but yeah, he posted it, and so he posts like edits too, a little bit of edits. He only has a few subscribers, so please subscribe to him. I wanna help him.
Apparently last night he almost escaped from his cell in the raft. Now I'm no expert on Supermax prisons, but isn't the whole point of them
I have
that there
other friends
isn't
too that are trying to...
If there's a more secure side, why wasn't he in it?
No!
About Halloween, folks.
This is like
trend of grown adults glorifying the likes of Spider-Man by dressing up as them is especially in the times we live in disturbing.
Yeah, please subscribe to them. So yeah, now we're gonna do the obby. Let's go. I'm trying to be as loud as I can because I was gonna post this video, but you guys couldn't. Well, my voice was too low because I don't talk that loud. So yeah, I'm posting a new video of this. Oh my gosh. Okay, but you have to be careful on these. Okay. This one, I love it. I just can fly right through it. Oh wow, I didn't even know that was it. And then so boom. I prefer to get this one on the last one. So yeah, that's how you do the Deadpool obby really fast. And so but if you guys don't, I'll make a video of how to get this skin, and so yeah. Then after that video, I'll show you where all of the papers are. And boom, go. It's the Deadpool in the very end. Because I got all of them, and then I literally the last one. The 3 lines, okay, then you wanna go to extras if you wanna put the Deadpool skin. Look here.
Come in,
I already got it. So this is what it has. Okay, so he has this. I just call it dot skin. The thing that I used for